Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the best Koinly discount promo codes. So you can use your phone or your PC to do this. Just go to Reddit and I will share two different subreddits. So first is go to r/crypto deals and search for Koinly promo code. So here users are sharing their promo codes here, CD9270CA. That was 8 days ago. And then as you can see, there are a lot of referral links. You can click one of them and then you can save $25 off. How about this one, Blitz007? So it updates a lot in this thread here in r/crypto deals. And then one more is in r/coinly, and then search for this keywords here. And then Q30, they said it worked. You can try this. EOY sale 22, nice hash for 50% off. You can try a lot of these, but make sure to join these subreddits to get the latest discounts and the latest deals. That's basically it.